So a friend of mine just gave me access to his Google Search Console and he wants to start improving his SEO. And so after a quick scan of his website, I thought that he just needed to add a lot more content. And so his site is relatively new and he hasn't done a lot of SEO on it before. So I think he's going to have a hard time ranking for competitive keywords. So what I told him to do is do this custom search that I'm about to show you, and it allows you to find topics that your site might already be ranking for. So once you come into Search Console, you're going to go to the Performance tab, click New, Query, and then filter down to Custom. And then you're going to add this snippet of text here, which I'll paste underneath this tweet so you can just copy and paste it. Once you click Apply, it's going to show you all the questions that your site is currently getting impressions for. So you can see here, this site is getting impressions, but no clicks. So what you can do is you can use these as blog topics, or you can click in to these keywords and find the pages that are ranking and add content there. So this is a great way to find low-hanging fruit using data from your own website that you're not going to be able to find in a tool like SEMrush or Ahrefs. So I highly recommend this. Also recommend, I'm using a tool called Bubbles. It is an asynchronous meeting tool that allows you to trade information back and forth with team members or clients without actually having to get on a call at the same time, which is huge. Everybody's trying to cut back on meetings. So I'm really enjoying that. Again, log into Search Console, copy the snippet I'm going to paste underneath this tweet, and see if you can find some great topics to get your blog started.